So now let's see how we can work around with Replicate and Solarize effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to work around with Replicate and Solarize, I'm going to go around under Effects right here, and here you can see that Replicate and Solarize is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out right here, then you can see that the footages are replicated right here. It's copied out. You can go around and change around the count of the footage as well, and you can see that the number of copies changes out right here. And as I were to play, they play all together, as you can see right there. Let me just go around and delete this and then go around over here, and you can see that Solarize is another option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out right here, you can see that Solarize is here. So you can go around and change around the threshold, as you can see, just like this, and then this is what you have, as you can see. Can go around and change around the Solarize option, and if it affects out the dark area first. And that is how you can work around with the Replicate and Solarize option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.